Hi everybody, it's Dr. Magnifico from Jerry's Full Vet and Polly.com. This is Jerry. He is a 2.5-year-old male. He was neutered just a few months ago, so not that long ago. One of the things that we see with tomcats, so that's an unneutered cat, is they get these really big cheeks. So these really big cheeks and this really muscular body. And because his cheeks got so big, his eyelids actually rolled in, which is entropion. So entropion is an inversion of the eyelids. Your eyelids have lashes on them, and when they're inverted, those lashes rub on your cornea, and that's very irritating. It's like having an eyelash in your eye all the time. So entropion is typically a condition that we have to treat surgically. We actually remove a little piece of tissue, so you can see his incisions. He's got a V-shaped incision on the outside of each eye, so we remove a little piece of tissue to pull those eyelids out. And then we suture them in place. So when he came here this morning, he could barely open his eyes. He was really squinting and really had them closed. And that was because his eyes are so painful, because the corneas are so painful, because they've been so chronically irritated. I've seen this condition a couple times in tomcats, and that's because their cheeks get so big that actually the tissue kind of causes the eyelids to roll in. So oddly, it's been something that we've been doing in tomcats because they got neutered later in life. He's waking up and he's a little cranky. But we also see it in other cats, so you can see it in cats and dogs. Typically, it's a surgical treatment. His total cost for his treatment today was about $400. His mom's on a really tight budget, so we did it on a tight budget for her. But typically, I would say that's about as inexpensive as it can get. He's already had pre-op blood work, and he will go home with an ophthalmic ointment, and he will be checked by me every 3 or 4 days. So if you have a dog who's squinting a lot, who's got a lot of discharge, or a cat, I should say, and it looks like the eyelids are turned in, the disease is called entropion, and typically the treatment is surgery. If you have any questions about this or anything else, you can find me at Jarrett's Full Vet or Pobly.com. Wish him luck. Thanks for being such a good model.